Inside Village 69, yeah, very busy inside of there. Busy, always full in this, serves exceptionally good food. Lots of seating areas there. Bamboo. How are you, ladies? Do you have the Bali love? Home decor shop inside Queen Evil. Nice handbags in there. Different training shoes. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around about 8 PM. I'm here in the Legian area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a street walking tour along the street of Jalan Sahadewa, aka Garlic Lane. So the street of Jalan Sahadewa is quite a popular tourist street in itself. However, it is also sandwiched in between two other quite popular tourist streets, the street of Jalan Padma and the street of Jalan Melastay. My starting point for tonight's video is going to be where Jalan Sahadewa meets Jalan Melastay, and I'm going to take you all the way through to where it meets Jalan Padma. So as I'm walking along the street, I'm going to take in all the hotel accommodation options, many of which I have featured in videos. I shall have the link in the description for those that have, for any of you that want to take a look at those. All of the restaurants, all of the bars, all of the tourist goods shopping, lots of tourist goods shopping along this street. Just give you a general idea what you can expect from the street of Jalan Sahadewa, aka Garlic Lane, here in the Legian area of Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and take a night stroll here in Legian. Okay, so this is a start point for tonight's video. This is the street of Jalan Melastay here. A few tourists around on here. This is the street we're going to be heading along, Jalan Sahadewa, aka Garlic Lane. So just across the street there we have the Legian Steak Project. Oh, dinner done right. I'm going to walk in there, but it's quite busy inside of there. There's all the prime cuts of steak. We're going to head straight across the street here now. A collection of shops and things here. Yeah. Don't know what he was saying too. Wow. T-shirts. Handbags. Lots of different handbags and things in there. The tote bags, the Chloe bags. Some of the Coach bags. Some nice design bags in there. Some stores are closing up now. Some are already closed. And then here we are now. We're onto the main street. So just along this street here we have Addy's Inn. I've featured this in a video, so I'll have the link in the description for that place for you. Sports t-shirts over there. We'll head along this one. Some sunglasses. Big collection of the ladies' handbags in there. Wow, he's got an absolutely huge collection. Some training shoes. Different training shoes there. Fixed price store here again, lots of handbags and things in there, lots of running shoes. Many handbags. How are you, brother? Good. Hey, bro. And here we are at Rosemary. Just coming back on the street here, we have the Husband Daycare Centre, Garlic Lane Restaurant and Bar. Wow, totally empty in there. We have the drag queen show. Quiet, no? How are you? Good. So that's called the Garlic Lane Restaurant and Bar. So very quiet inside of there. We have the Hours Bar and Restaurant here. A few people in there, a few people coming out. But still quite a few empty tables I see in there. Empty on this side, few on that side. Wow, many of the shops are already closed. Lots of tourist goods shops, Circle K, convenience store. Downtown boutique. Another handbag shop here. Let's take you and show you some of these handbags. Nice handbags in there. Many. Big collection inside. This is like a ladies' boutique style clothing shop. Some nice looking stuff in there. Some jewellery as well. Another fixed priced running shoes shop here. Nike. Many in there. Many handbags as well. And just across the street we have Billy's 69. So we just cut across to Billy's 69. Oh, it's actually quite busy inside Billy's 69. Yeah, very busy inside of there. More flat screen TVs. Nice. It's quite busy on the street as well. Wow. For a tattoo studio there. Oh, nothing in here as well. Chubby Rabbit, this place is called. That's the name, Chubby Rabbit. No one in there. Let's go across here as well. Nobody in here. Busy in some places, not so busy in others. Hello, how are you? Good. We have the Legend here. Wow, it's quiet in there as well. Yeah, very quiet in the Legend. Oh. Bar area. Right inside, maybe it's a little bit too early. We just continue on along the street. So odd places are very busy and other places nothing. Some tourist goods shops here. It's got a Jordan, that's a backpack that is. Some nice little kiddies t-shirts, some of the shorts and things here. Oi, Bali. Clothing shop. Jewellery shop. A Hulu bar and grill. Oh my god. Hulu bar and grill. Empty as well in there. Not a single customer inside. Wow. Very nice inside, but no customers. Ooh. Quiet, no?
Yeah, I have a bloody cold beer here.
Bloody cold beer, yeah?
Come on.
Do you have the barley loaf? Whee! Thank you. So we have a few places down there, but everything's closed. Wow. It's not so busy. Look at the street. Very quiet. You have some of these people online saying Legian's packed. Not at all. Queen's evil. I don't agree with that. I've been driving around Legian Kuta for the last few weeks. I haven't seen it busy. Lots of nice home decor shop inside Queen Evil. Very nice inside of there. Beautiful. So you just have a few tourists on the street, but nothing drastic. We have the local 80361 here. Let's look back at Queen Evil. Just turn you around on this side, have lots more tourist goods shops here. We'll go and see 80361. It's always busy, always full in this, serves exceptionally good food. Lots of seating areas there. Busy inside of there. Busy on both sides here. Some music playing in there as well. It's the local 80361. Quite a few in there. Mark's full. That's the name. It's a great restaurant, that. Have the Surawati Hotel and Villas. I featured this in a video. She'll have the link in the description. It's located just down there. We have the Warung Happy here. I think they have one of these at Legian Beach as well. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Cooking classes as well available there. All the seating areas inside. Have Golden Ink Tattoo Studio here. Small little shops as well. Robbie Bali Ink Tattoo Studio. Lovely massage and spa. And we'll just come in here and walk along here. So lots of tourist goods shops, but unfortunately doesn't appear to be many customers. Some nice hats here. Bintang Bali hat, Bali hats, Nike, many in there. Very nice. So we just have a few tourists wandering around on the street, but it's not ultra busy, I wouldn't say. We just cut across on the other side of the street. We have Filthy Gorgeous, it's a very popular jewellery shop. There's just lots of tourist goods shops here. It's very busy inside Filthy Gorgeous actually. Tourists inside of there. Some of the earrings. Nice stuff in there, necklaces. Very nice. And then here we have the Blue Moon. Yeah, it's quite busy inside of there as well. How are you? Good, good. Busy inside of there as well. We have the Tandi Bayang here. Featured this in a video as well. I shall add the link in the description. Tandi Bayang restaurant also empty. Wow, very quiet. Tandi Bayang also has Emily's Spa. Very popular spa. There's lots of people inside there. Hello, good evening. How are you, ladies? Do you have the Bali love? Woo! Emily's Spa. All the girls inside, lots of customers as well. Thank you, ladies. Just continuing on along the street. So just down here we have Legian Village Hotel. I haven't featured that one in a video. I have had requests, however I haven't featured it as of yet. So the street is pretty quiet if I'm honest. Yeah, you've got a few tourists strolling about, but nothing too drastic. Just cut on the other side of the road. More tourist goods shops. The girl's there. She doesn't want to be seen on the camera. Ambiente Spa and Wellness there. With a massage spa. We have Bamboo Spa here. Hello, Bamboo Spa, how are you? Do you have the Bali love? Woo! Bamboo Spa, welcome to Bali. Thank you, ladies. Bye. So we're just walking straight through now and we'll arrive at Jalan Padma. Mini Mart convenience store here. The tourist goods shop in there, and then here we are at Jalan Padma. Name on Jalan Padma. Not busy. Look at that empty street. These people that are going around and telling you Bali's busy, it's not. There we go. Jalan Sahadewa, aka Garlic Lane.